Hey guys, Eitan, welcome back to my channel. So this is another episode of Eitan's Outdoor Summer Cookout, and I'm super excited. Today I have teen entrepreneur Sam Jacobs in the house. Well, I guess not in the house, outside of the house, because this is outdoor cooking. I'm super excited to have you on today.
I'm excited too. Hey, what's going on? It's Sam Jacobs. I've been endorsed by the biggest influencers out there. Started my journey around 2 years ago. Been able to generate over $1.5 million in e-commerce revenue. So
super cool.
I've never cooked before. I'm excited to jump in this and
so you're
see
gonna
what's
take off the e-commerce hat and put on the chef hat. So today we are making homemade-ish ice cream. So when I was planning for this, I was like, I want to do ice cream recipe, but I feel like 99% of my followers probably don't have. Do you have an ice cream machine at home? Probably not.
No.
Yeah. So I knew most of my followers don't have an ice cream machine, so I'm like, you know what? We're doing homemade-ish. We're using store-bought vanilla ice cream and then spicing up a little bit with some more ingredients.
Oh, I'm excited. Never cooked before,
First
so you're in tune for a treat. Let's see what happens.
Okay, Sam. So you add in the chocolate and peanut butter into that while I start chopping up our strawberries. So now, Sam, one thing that I found really cool about Sam, and we actually found each other on Instagram, which I guess how you meet people these days.
Yeah, I think everything is on Instagram.
And I'm super inspired. You guys know I'm all about teen entrepreneurs and like that age really shouldn't limit anything. Like there's no reason you can't be successful at a young age. And Sam really just like lives that. It's like living proof, which is why I thought it was super cool. I wanted to have him on. Yeah. And this is actually our first time meeting, which is super cool.
Yeah, it's actually pretty insane. Drove 2 hours for you all, so.
Yes. And we are making some delicious ice cream. So yeah, we have just peanut butter, add that in. You're not allergic to anything, right?
No, I'm not.
We probably should check that before.
Oh shoot, I'm allergic to peanut butter.
All right, good thing you're not. So what I'm doing while you're doing that is I'm just cutting up some strawberries. And now the whole idea behind homemade-ish ice cream is that it's, as the name would say, like if you say to someone, oh, is this homemade? It's homemade-ish.
Right.
You know, I feel like in the summertime, like you really don't want to slave over food. You just kind of want to be outside as much as possible. Yeah. So you don't want to have to wait for or buy an ice cream machine or anything like that. All right, just mix that all together.
Okay. I'm gonna add a bit more.
You can add a bit more. We're actually gonna put that as a topping.
Okay, cool.
And so with homemade, like summer cooking, homemade-ish, we're kind of taking something and elevating it super easy. Like this is something you could definitely do at home. Someone who doesn't cook.
I'm excited.
Set this to the side and I'll mix in. This is some Dulce de Leche. Have you ever had Dulce de Leche?
No, I don't know.
So
that
Dulce
sounds
de
cool,
Leche,
though.
it's very cool. So just spoon in some of that into there and do the same as there, about half the can. Dulce de Leche is super cool. It is a Spanish caramel that's actually, it's kind of hard, so you might want to like scrape it on the sides of the bowl. It's a Spanish caramel that's actually sweetened condensed milk, cooked in the can until it turns into that caramel. That is just really delicious and it's such a good flavor. Quickly, I have some Reese's peanut butter cups that we will just kind of chop up to add to that.
This already looks good.
All right, so let's add all of that into there. So now let's get these right over here. And I'll have you do the honors of putting this into here. If you have a little extra, no worries. Just kind of spoon that into there. I'm going as much as you can fit into there. Yeah, so probably the whole thing. And meanwhile, I'm gonna put our peanut butter chocolate one into this dish right over here. Don't worry if you make a mess, all good. Here we go, perfect. Just plop that down there. Now, one thing that's important with ice cream, you want to make it look good, because this does look good, but we want to make it look better.
Got it.
So what you do for that is take some more of this and drizzle it on top.
Oh shoot.
Yeah, it's all about the presentation. Then let's get some of the chocolate dollops, and you kind of want to make a mess, but it's like a good, or like, the messier, the better, because we're dealing with chocolate.
Yeah.
Then I'm just gonna grab another one of these Reese's, quickly chop that up. Here we go.
That's pretty sick.
Use that. Yeah, how good does that look?
How long did you practice just to drizzle?
The drizzle? I don't know. I mean, I've been cooking now, I guess I'm 17. I started when I was around 8 or 9. So I guess it's been many years. I'm gonna put in our strawberry ice cream that we made. Try to like dollop, like, all right, maybe I'll take over that one. It's a little bit of a struggle. It's kind of hard.
Oh,
there you go.
That?
Yeah,
that
perfect.
was a sick drizzle.
So just do a bunch of those on top. I'm just gonna chop up another strawberry, put that strawberry on top for some presentation. Alrighty, that looks good. Okay, we have strawberry over here. We have peanut butter over here. We have the Dulce de Leche almost. Here, let's see.
There we go.
All right, I think that's good. I want to save the rest of Dulce de Leche because I'll actually eat all of that. And then kind of, here, watch this, I'll show you. We're just gonna take this. Oh yeah, I eat very healthy. All right, and then we're just kind of swirl that on top. That is how easy it is to make the ice cream. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop these in the freezer. We're gonna, with a little YouTube magic, have finished ice cream in like 3 minutes really when we cut the cameras, and we'll be back and eat. I'll be eating a lot of the ice cream, and I guess Sam will have a taste of each ice cream.
Just a little bit.
Okay, sounds good. We'll see you in a few.
Peace.
Okay, we are back. We have some frozen ice cream here. Now, you may see on the close-up camera that these are kind of been eaten a lot already. That's how you know it's
guys.
good.
Yeah.
All right, but in the close-up shots later, we'll get it looking good. All right, so one little quick tip, I don't know if you ever do, if you stick the ice cream scooper in some hot water, it'll help just kind of scoop it super easily. So which flavor do you want to try?
Ooh, this one looks good.
Yeah, that's my personal favorite also.
Cool.
I think I'll go for that one as well.
It's the most eaten.
Yes, that's how you know it's good. All right, so let me give you a nice scoop of that. And then one thing, fun fact, actually, at least for an amateur like me, I guess, with ice cream, I find it's very hard to get a good scoop in like one go. So a little trick I like to do is I kind of just keep moving it around until it kind of gets to a scoop. Now, you're on a diet, so we'll give you a single scoop. Are you gonna even eat all that? Probably not. I'm gonna take a large amount of this one and the Dulce de Leche, which is
This looks so good. I think I'm gonna have the whole scoop. I don't know.
Who cares about the diet? Don't you have like a trainer?
Yeah, he's gonna
We're gonna make sure
me.
he does not watch this video. All right, and I'm gonna take some Dulce de Leche on there, and that's it. All right, let's just dig in. All right, you got a spoon there.
Oh shoot.
All right,
Wish me
let's
luck.
try it. Homemade-ish ice cream.
It's his fault.
Yeah, sorry, trainer.
That is really good.
It's like homemade ice cream.
That is so good.
Now,
I mean the whole thing.
we won't tell your trainer. All right, thank you so much for coming on, Sam. This was super fun. Now, Sam, where can they find you?
They can find me at Sam Jacobs on YouTube. If you want to learn how to make your own online store, definitely check me out. I think we'll put an end card somewhere around our faces.
For sure.
But this was a great episode. Never actually cooked anything besides eggs before this.
No, my brother, but he only cooks a little bit.
Yeah, but this is good. He did all the work, but definitely a great explainer. I think I'm gonna have to try this at home myself.
For sure.
It was that easy.
Speaking of trying it at home, if you want the full recipe, as always, the link to it is in the description box below. I will link
good.
to all Sam's information as well, so you can give him a follow. Be sure to click that big red subscribe button. It's big, right down there. It's red. It's free to click, and you'll be the first one when I post new videos. Comment down below, have you ever made ice cream before? And when you tried this homemade-ish ice cream, send me pictures and what new cool flavors you make. Super excited. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this episode. Next week, I am taking this ice cream and making homemade ice cream cookie sandwiches. It is gonna be insane. Get ready. Stay tuned next Monday and new videos every Thursday as well. Okay,
Definitely
I think I'm gonna stop
try.
talking. Let's just finish eating this ice cream.
Yeah, let's just finish this because this is so good.